Good day, nurses. Now let's discuss assistive devices. So when we say assistive devices, these are equipment used to support mobility, enhance function, and promote independence and with individual with physical limitations. Gaya nga ng sabi ko sa inyo kanina, okay, dun sa fractures, okay, isa sa mga management natin, okay, aside from stability or promote perfusion and immobilization, isa rin sa ginagawa natin is to support mobility. So kailangan na at saka independence. Okay, support mobility and independence. So paano natin sila matutulungan sa tulong ng assistive devices? Kasi ayaw natin na yung mga pasyente ay umasa na lang sa atin. Kailangan gawin din nila ng sarili nila kahit meron silang physical limitations. So, sino makakatulong sa kanila? Yung mga assistive devices natin, katulad ng cane, walker, and crutches. Now, proceed tayo sa first natin. Una, we have the cane. So, pag sinabi natin cane, a cane is an assistive device used to improve balance and provide partial weight-bearing support for patient with weakness or instability. Okay, so ito yung mga ginagamit natin sa mga patient na may mild weakness and instability. So, anong purpose niya? Una, to improve balance, provide support, and reduce weight. So, in short, ang pinaka-purpose talaga ng cane natin is to enhance stability and prevent falls. Okay? So, meron tayong mga types ng cane na ginagamit. Okay? So, these are your canes. Okay? Meron tayong dalawa. Una, etong example natin, this is the single point cane. Okay? And then, yung pangalawa natin is your quad cane. Bakit siya tinawag na quad cane? Kasi apat yung paa niya. Si single point, isa lang yung paa niya. Kailan natin ginagamit or para saan ba si single point? Si single point natin use for basic support. Okay? And your quad cane, mas wider siya. Wider ang kanyang base, kaya more stability. Okay. So, paano ba natin mini-measure yung length ng cane pag sa mga pasyente natin? Okay? So, first, the top of cane should align with greater trochanter or in the hip level. Saan ba si trochanter natin, class? Yung buto sa hip natin. This one. This is your trochanter. So, dapat hanggang dyan yung height ng ating cane. Or aside from that, ito, what they call this one na ba? Yung ating wrist crest. Ito, your wrist crest, this one. Yung dun sa may fold ng wrist natin. Okay, yung sa may fold ng wrist natin, ito yan. Okay, this one, yan. Diyan dapat ang length ng ating cane. So, bakit diyan? Para magkaroon tayo ng elbow flexion. Usually, si elbow flexion natin nasa 15 to 30 angle. So, 50 to 30 angle. Wait lang, check ko lang kung may picture ba yun ang ating... Okay, wala. So, yan. So, dapat 15 to 30 angle. So, paano tayo magwo-walk with the cane? Una, we need to move cane, with ito. Move cane forward 6 inches or 15 centimeter. Step the affected leg forward alongside the cane and step the unaffected. So, ibig sabihin, cane mauuna, weak leg or extremity, and then the strong leg. Okay, cane, weak, and then strong. So, mauna si cane, followed by weak, susunod si strong. Paano kapag paakyat ka? Pag going up, going down. Okay. Pag going up, always remember good first. Pag going down, always bad first. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, pag good yan, mauna si Cain, and then good, and then weak. Pag pababa naman, Cain, weak, and then good. Okay? Next, walker. Si walker naman, ginagamit natin yan. Stable, lightweight assistive devices used to support, balance, and partial bearing for patient with lower limb weakness or limited mobility. Same lang naman sila ni Cain. Okay, so anong purpose niya? Improve stability during walking, reduce weight bearing on weak legs, prevent falls, and promote independence. So, in short, provide maximum support compared to Cain. Okay, so ito, provide maximum support compared to cane or crutches. Okay, so compared to cane or crutches. So ano yung mga types natin? Meron tayong tatlong types ng ating walker. Yung first natin, yung walang gulong, it's the standard walker. Okay, saan natin ginagamit sin standard? Okay, usually ito ay no wheels and lift with each step. Ito yung kailangan pa nating buhatin kapag once na maglalakad tayo. Si front naman, okay, itong pangalawa, that's your front wheeled. Okay, your front wheeled walker. Ano naman to? Easier to slide forward. Bakit? Kasi may gulong sa harapan. The next natin, your four-wheeled. 4 ang gulong niya. Okay? Your four-wheeled or yung tinatawag din na roller. Ginagamit to for long distance. Okay? Maglakad ka to Gigaraw to Baguio. Ito ang gamit mo. Okay? So, long distance. And then, with brakes. Often lang naman siya na may brake siya and sit. Diba? Pwede ka mag-campaign kasi mag-camping pala. Camping seat. Yan yung gamit mo. Types of walker. The next, ano pa yung measurement natin dito? So, walker height at wrist crest when patient stands upright. So, same lang din and then elbow flex to 15 to 30 degree angle. Paano magbo-walk with walker? Lift or roll walker in the 6 inches or 15 centimeter forward. Same with cane. And then, step forward with the affected leg into the walker first and followed by the stronger leg. So, ibig sabihin, mauuna si walker, followed by weak, followed by strong. Pero kapag once naman na pataas, always remember, going up, always mauna si good. Going down, always mauna si bad. Okay? That's your walker. And then lastly, your crutches. Okay. Your crutches naman, these are the assistive devices that provide support, reduce weight bearing, same lang sila ni cane and ni walker. So, anong purpose niya? Maintain none or partial weight bearing or injured leg, promote mobility, support balance, and prevent further injury. So, in short, keep injured limb safe while patient moves.